17 Waste Watch investigation tonight. We paid our taxes last month, but a congressional watchdog finds millions of our phone calls to customer service at the IRS were not answered. Instead, money that should have gone toward helping us went to bonuses for IRS employees.
And as Fox 17's Erica Curry found out, that's not the only thing the agency is wasting our money on.
I just hope that this opens up the story so that maybe something can be done about it.
Taxpayers and House GOP leaders are both calling for answers from the IRS.
We cannot trust what the IRS is doing.
Tennessee Congressman Diane Black is on the Ways and Means Committee in Congress, which just put out this 14-page report. In it, Fox 17 found more than $200 million could have been better spent by the IRS for the 2015 filing season.
When we look at this and see that they spent $60 million in employee bonuses.
Congressman Black grilled IRS Commissioner John Koskinen just last month about this very issue when he admitted the IRS purposefully took more than $1 billion of funding from customer service to implement Obamacare.
In addition to that, you expect to spend another $533 million in FY 2015. Is that correct?
That's correct.
I called and emailed the IRS for an explanation. The only answer I got, an email response telling me to look for the transcript of this hearing. Along with this video of the hearing, I found Koskinen stating 60% of calls to the IRS customer service during this 2015 filing season didn't get through, and those whose calls did get answered waited as long as 30 minutes. In a separate hearing, Koskinen blames an 18% budget cut to his agency after an investigation found the IRS targeted groups for their beliefs.
When you punish the IRS by cutting its budget, ultimately you're punishing taxpayers because you limit our ability to provide the service to them that our employees want to provide.
It's an explanation Congressman Black isn't buying. The Ways and Means Committee estimates better spending in the budget could have helped answer almost 26 million more of our calls.
I think that is a very lame excuse when you tell me it's that we have cut your spending. We've cut your spending because we don't trust what you're doing.
Erica Curry, Fox 17 News.
Now, right now, IRS funding is below levels in 2008. The GOP plans to keep extra funding from the IRS. Congress sees this agency using your tax dollars more efficiently. Ultimately, the GOP believes the best solution, though, is tax reform. As always, you can